The evidence is clear. Speed cameras save lives.
Speed enforcement continues to be a hot topic, not just here in Toronto, but right across Ontario. And the program is being discussed in length right now here at City Hall. And this, of course, comes as the Premier is promising legislation to ban speed cameras altogether. And that could happen in the coming weeks. Now, before this meeting started today, we did hear from the Mayor and several City councillors about this. Here's a bit more of what they had to say.
We know speed kills, and we know speed cameras in school zones protect children from death or serious injuries. The evidence is clear. Speed cameras save lives. The province plans to rip them out, and it rips out one of the most effective tools to keep children safe.
This is just the Premier trying to get a couple of points in the polls at the cost of human lives in the City of Toronto and across the province of Ontario.
I wouldn't get rid of the cameras. I think what they should do is do a review of all the speed limits in each of the areas, right-size the speed limits, and then so anyone that's doing an unreasonable speed gets a ticket.
I think we still have to say that we really support speed safety cameras in school zones, and I just don't understand why somebody who really cares about crime, that would be the Premier, doesn't care about speeding.
City staff also debunked some of the chatter surrounding speed cameras, saying that no tickets in Toronto have been issued to drivers going 1 or 2 kilometers an hour over the limit, but many drivers have been caught going over 100, including one who was ticketed back in January for going 187 in a 50 zone. We're also learning more about how the revenue collected is being used. According to staff, a chunk goes to the province, about 35% goes to operating the speed camera program, and about 40% goes to Vision Zero, a road safety program the city has been running for many years, and that includes crossing guards and police officers to help direct traffic. So a lot of questions coming from councillors today, and city staff is armed with the data, really giving a better understanding of how speed cameras work in Toronto. And I can tell you there also appears to be a lot of support from councillors to fight the province to try and keep these cameras in school zones.